Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel, or general welcome if you are new. Hi, how are you? Welcome. I hope you decide to stick around despite of the terrible first impressions that I make. Today I'm going to be sharing some of my current favourite things with you guys. I used to do this monthly, but then since I started heading in a more minimalist direction, I wasn't buying as much stuff, so I didn't have as many new favorites. So now it's just kind of as and when, and these are some strong favorites right here. Like, it's an odd bunch of things, but I love them all and I'm excited to share them with you. So if you are ready to see what I am loving in life right now, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is kind of a travel favorite, but also could just be a general life favorite depending on what your life consists of, and it is the GRAYL water bottle. There's a long technical name for this, can't remember what it's called. It's something like the GRAYL Ultralight Purifying something, all singing, all dancing, whatever, but it's the GRAYL. I'll link it down below in case you want to go check it out, but it's one of those inventions that just changes everything. If you didn't know somehow, because it's all I've been talking about, but if you didn't know, I just went traveling around Southeast Asia for a month and I didn't have to buy any bottled water because I drank the tap water from Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, all those other places I went that I can't remember right now. I drank the tap water from all of those places out of this bottle and it was completely safe and clean, and I am living and here to tell the tale. You don't need chemicals, you don't need additional like things that you pour in, or you don't have to heat anything up. It really is as simple as just pushing the inside bit into the outside bit, and that's it. And it means that I don't have to buy any bottled water while I'm away because I am against buying bottled water. It's so bad for the environment. This way we can say no to single-use plastic. The next thing I am absolutely loving at the moment is another genius invention, and this is the Jini Bikini. I'm not going to go into this in too much detail because I made a whole video about this, which I will link down below, but this really is the best bikini in the world, in my humble opinion, because it comes in one piece like this, and with just this one piece you can have an infinite number of bikini tops. It also works as a bikini bottom. It is actually one size fits all because it will grow with you, it will shrink with you, it will always keep you covered. You can tie it in a bandeau, you can have it halter neck, you can have it strappy, you can have it like so that it covers a lot, you can have it so that it's a little bit, you know, skimpier. You can do whatever you want with it. And like I said, I'm going to link that video down below. I'm also going to link the Jini Bikini website so you can go and check out all the different ways that you can tie this to make it look amazing. But yeah, this is what we've been waiting for, girls, because it fits perfectly. You can have a million different bikinis with just one piece, and it's a genius idea. Okay, next favorite thing is actually a makeup item, and I haven't been doing so much in the way of makeup recently on this channel, but this is something that I just had to talk about. This is the Tarte BB Tinted Treatment Primer with SPF 30. When we are in the heat of summer like we are now, or particularly when I'm on holiday, I don't want to wear a full face of makeup. Like, it feels gross. I'd much rather wear a BB cream, but I want something that still gives me a sense of coverage. For years, I've been an advocate of the Clinique Age Defense BB cream because that is a full coverage BB cream. It's like wearing a foundation. This is a lot more lightweight and it feels like I have literally nothing on my skin. It is so soft and so smooth. I can just plaster it on with my fingers. I don't have to worry about using a brush. I don't have to worry about blending it properly because it just sinks in really beautifully. It's not super full coverage like the Clinique BB cream, but it gives me enough color and enough coverage that I have the confidence to go about my day and not be like, oh, my naked face is on display. My next favorite is something I stole from my mom, and this is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. My mum had it in the cupboard when I got home and I was like, hey, I'm gonna give this a try, and it works so well. It takes off all my waterproof mascara, my like locked down foundation that I have plastered to my face. It will take that off and it leaves my skin feeling really clean, like it's got every scrap of makeup off, and it gives me that clean tingly feeling, which I really enjoy. And the cool thing about using simple products is that they don't have a lot of like nasty ingredients in there. So they've got no artificial perfume or colour, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no alcohol, no parabens, no animal derived ingredients, which is great because it means it's vegan friendly as well. Bonus. Okay, my next favourite thing is probably my favourite thing of all my favourite things, and it's a t-shirt from a company called Wholesome Culture. It says, keep our oceans blue, our planet green, and our animals safe, and it just speaks to me. If you haven't checked out their website, I'm gonna link that down below because they have so many t-shirts that I want, so many, with great slogans on. So if you are like environmentally aware and you want your t-shirt to tell the world about it, or if you are vegan, because they've got a lot of vegan t-shirts on there, you want to check out this website. It's really good. So those were all of my favorite things of the moment. There was a real mix of all different kinds of things as usual. I hope you guys enjoyed. Maybe I inspired you to go out and treat yourself. If I did, then please go ahead, let me know in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let me know. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already to join our oddball family. And for those of you who are already subscribed, thank you guys so much. You are my oddballs, and I love you. Until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you all soon. Bye.